Hi everyone, my name is Devrin Ossoy. I'm the projects manager at Empower IT. Today I'll be discussing how I use Copilot, which is an AI agent, for my work. An example, I'm going to show you one of the agents that I use in Teams that I've created before, and I've called it Excel Sheet Creator. So the way I created that was through create an agent, and all you have to do is give it simple instructions of what you want the agent to do. So if I click into Excel Sheet Creator and click on Edit, so these are the details that I put into the agent. So it creates a professional downloadable Excel sheet from IT related data. And these are the instructions that I gave it, such as core responsibilities, structure and additional tabs, visual formatting, color coding, formulas, input handling, file creation, and final output. So the more information you give the agent, the better results you're going to get. So as an example, let's use this agent that I've created. So what I'm going to do is, I've already got a data that I will show you. So as you can see here, we've got an Excel sheet with a lot of data, which was extracted. Not this one particularly, because I got rid of all the names. You can see there's 100 entries, or 101 including the tab, but it's very messy, doesn't look neat. There's no extra sheets. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to open that up. It's as simple as grabbing, dropping it in, and telling the agent what you want it to do with it. So fix the Excel sheet. So it gives you a brief explanation of what it's done. And then at the end, it should give us a download link. Okay. So it's all done, and you can sort of see here, it says download the Excel fixed Excel workbook. We're going to open that up. Okay, so out of that data that we had earlier, you can sort of see now what it's done to it. So it's given us filters. It's also given us color coding, so it's easier to read. And it's also given us statuses. And on top of that, we've also got a summary. So you can sort of see there of each department, what they are. We can also go back to Copilot. Let's say we want more information. So we can actually go back here, and you can sort of see there's already a couple of questions that it's asking on if it wants to do anything else. So I want pivot tables. So I'm going to say that, and I'm going to click next. So it's going to use the same sheet, and it's going to create pivot tables for us. Okay, so we'll open that up so it's completed it. Okay. So it also gives me all these details as well now. But apart from what departments, makes it look a bit nicer. You can also add graphs. You can also make it search for duplicates and highlight those in certain colors. And it's as simple as that. I've got a fully functional Excel sheet that only took me about 5 minutes. That 2-hour task is 5 minutes because I can dump it all into Copilot. A task that might have taken me between 2 and 6 hours turns into between 5 minutes and 30 minutes. So the advice I would give is try to determine what your daily tasks are. Mine was that I work with a lot of data and I use Excel. But just because I'm using Excel doesn't mean you can't use any other products. You can use this for Word, PowerPoint, any of the Office products. Use Copilot very well. Copilot is very powerful for the Office products, and you can do a lot with it. I would say play around with it, customize it, and there's a lot of stuff you can do, a lot of time you can save. Working with Excel sheets like I do every day, it saves a lot of time for me. and I'm sure it will also save time for you. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Empower IT and ask for me. And thank you for your time.